Hello, ladies. I wanted to show you how to, this is Dina, and I wanted to show you how to create a banner where you could say, click here to shop, and it takes them to where they need to go, because we want everyone to be able to get to your website to shop within 3 clicks or less. If they are not doing that, there's a good chance you're going to drop that customer, because I don't know about you, but I like convenience, and if I can't get there quickly, I'm not going to do it. So we don't want to lose anyone by not being able to find us quickly. So here is my Bag Lady customer group. I'm going to show you what I do to give them the click here to shop option. This is, just so you know, this is my private customer group, not my public Facebook business page. There is a difference. So here I created a banner on Canva, best graphics site ever. And so here it is. So May customer special, it lists out what they are. Why not put the customer specials in your banner? People can see it. They don't have to say, hey, what are those customer specials again? And so here, I'm going to say save changes. Probably going to take this down too afterwards because it's not quite May yet. So we're going to say save changes. And then, all right, I'm going to, now if I click here, is it going to take me to my website? No. What's going to do, just like any photo on Facebook, it's going to pull up that photo. But look here, you can say add description. So I'm going to say, ready to shop, click here. And I paid for a custom URL, but this is my 31 website that it's going to take them to. Okay, so there you go. That is, and I'm going to say done editing. Okay, so now if they say, oh, I'm going to click here, says who doesn't click here if there's this big box that says click here. I'm going to click here and oh, it's going to take me, it says ready to shop. There you go. Never a question about where to go for my 31 website. Okay, so I expect to see that you ladies are going to be making it easy peasy for your customers, right? So that you can get more sales and not drop anyone because they couldn't find you. All right, have fun with that and click done or comment done when you've done it. Let me know so I can go see your beautiful work. Have a great day, ladies.